Step in, sit down, relax. We'll show you how.
This is the Alexis tub. If the first thing you notice about our tub is it does have a low threshold for easy access for people that might be suffering from arthritic pain, knee surgery. The low threshold allows you to walk into your tub safely and securely. The next thing about our tub, it has a wing-shaped door. There's a reason it's a wing-shaped door. It's a safety door. What the door does is it actually allows you to sit in the tub safely, hanging onto your grab bar. That door actually slides right over the top of your knees, and then it has an easy lock handle that you just push down and lock your door. And the gasket is on the inside, as you would notice. We prefer a door that opens inward versus outward because of the gasket being on the inside of the door. Basically what that does, when the tub fills, it puts the pressure on the door and it keeps the door from leaking. Once you're in the tub, what you're going to do is you're going to take the drain, and it's a very easy drain mechanism to open and close your drains, arthritic friendly. You can use your fingers, you can use your wrist, you can actually even use your elbow. It's very easy to open and close the drain. You want to close the drain. You've got to remember too is that you do not ever want to turn your jets on before this tub is full. It's very important to wait until that tub is filled past the jet line and then start your therapy. But you have to wait until the tub fills to get past those jets. If you notice on our seats, we have two padded seats. They are removable. We have a backrest and a seat rest for more comfort while you're sitting in your tub. You're not sitting on a cold seat, and they're easy to keep clean. You can take them out, wash them in your sink. They're removable. Start your walk-in tub journey today at EZProExpress.com.